Why do we get dehydrated? Dehydration occurs when our body loses more water than it takes in, causing an imbalance. When we are sweating a lot during physical activity or dealing with fever, our body expels more water than usual. If fluids aren't replaced in time, dehydration sets in. This affects the body's ability to regulate temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. As a result, we may feel dizzy, tired, or experience dry mouth. Why do we yawn? Yawning happens when we take a deep breath, usually when tired, bored, or even seeing someone else yawn. Scientists aren't sure exactly why we yawn, but it may help wake up the brain by bringing in more oxygen and cooling it down. Some think yawning helps regulate body temperature or keep us alert. It's also contagious. Seeing, hearing, or thinking about yawning can trigger it. While mostly harmless, excessive yawning could signal fatigue, stress, or medical conditions. Do fish drink water? Fish drink water differently depending on whether they live in salt water or fresh water. Saltwater fish constantly lose water through osmosis, so they actively drink seawater and filter out excess salt using their gills and kidneys. Freshwater fish, on the other hand, absorb water through their skin and gills because their bodies have a higher salt concentration than the surrounding water. They don't need to drink actively. Instead, they urinate frequently to remove excess water. Why do we have two nostrils? Firstly, two nostrils allow us to detect more scents than one nostril. Secondly, one of our nostrils can rest while the other nostril filters the incoming air. Thirdly, when we have a cold, one nostril may become inflamed and blocked, while the other nostril can still provide airflow. Lastly, our bodies have pairs of most features that aren't in the middle of the body, including two nostrils, two eyes, and two ears. Why do we have two eyes? Firstly, our two eyes also create stereoscopic vision, giving us a three-dimensional view of the world. Secondly, two eyes give us a wider field of view than one eye, allowing us to see about 190 degrees. Thirdly, if one of our eye is damaged, the other provides backup, ensuring we can still see. Fourthly, with two eyes, our brain processes binocular vision, allowing us to judge distances accurately. Lastly, two eyes increase the signal-to-noise ratio, which helps us see fainter objects. Why do our hands shake?
Simple. Because we love to shake them.
Oh, AumSum! When our hands shake, we are said to be experiencing hand tremors. Some problem with those areas of the brain which control movement leads to tremors. We may experience hand tremors if we consume too much caffeine. We are suffering from lack of sleep or anxiety. We are suffering from a neurological disease such as Parkinson's. Why do humans love music?
Simple. Because AumSum makes great music.
Oh, AumSum. When sound vibrations are produced in specific and intricate patterns, it is known as music. Some researchers found out that we love music because of a neurotransmitter called dopamine. For example, when we eat tasty food, the reward system in our brain is activated and dopamine is released. Dopamine basically makes us feel good. Similarly, when we listen to music, the same dopamine is released, thus making us love listening to music. Why is ketchup so hard to pour?
Simple. Because nobody is as strong as AumSum.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, as compared to water, ketchup has a higher viscosity. Viscosity is the resistance of a fluid to flowing. That means ketchup provides more resistance to flowing as compared to water. Ketchup consists of many ingredients, but if we look closely, the solid parts of the ketchup, as in the tomato bits, are actually touching each other. This physical connection of the tomato bits gives ketchup the strength to resist flowing. Hence, ketchup is so hard to pour. Why does our foot fall asleep?
Nah, entire AumSum falls asleep.
Oh, AumSum. Nerves are like cables which run through our entire body. Their main function is to carry electrical impulses or messages between our brain and our body. Now, when we sit on our foot, the nerves in that area are temporarily compressed. Hence, these nerves are not able to send any message to our brain or receive any message from our brain. As a result, the connection between our brain and our foot is cut off. Hence, it feels like our foot has fallen asleep. What are headaches?
AumSum doesn't get headaches. There is no brain inside AumSum's head.
Oh, AumSum. The pain that we sometimes experience in our upper neck or head is commonly called a headache. Headache is not an indication of our brain hurting. In fact, the brain does not have any pain receptors to experience pain. Headaches are commonly caused due to inflammation or overactivity of muscles, nerves, and blood vessels in our head or neck. Migraine is a common example of this type of headache. How tall can we grow?
Simple. As tall as a giraffe.
Oh, AumSum. The genes which we inherit from our parents will make us grow approximately as tall as our parents. Also, factors like nutrition, physical health, hormones, etc. also affect our height. Now, if we grow taller than what we are at present, then we would require much larger bones. Also, the amount of blood in our body would be more, thus making it hard for the heart to pump so much blood. Does it rain diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn?
Yippee! AumSum is all set to go to Jupiter and Saturn.
Oh, AumSum. Scientists believe that it can actually rain diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. These planets have methane-rich atmospheres. During storms, lightning turns methane present in clouds into soot. As soot begins to fall, it is subjected to intense temperatures and pressures. These conditions squeeze the soot into chunks of graphite. As the pressure increases, graphite is compressed, making it literally rain diamonds. Does an octopus have 9 brains?
Nah, only AumSum has 9 brains.
Oh, AumSum. An octopus has a decentralized nervous system, with majority of its neurons residing in its arms. These neurons help the arms to independently taste, touch, and control basic motions without consulting the actual brain in its head. Thus, it gives an impression of having 9 brains, when in reality, it only has 1.